just cover back my pot. Alright guys, this morning I'm doing some liver and we're going to have this with some ground provision. So this is my beef liver. First thing first, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to remove the skin. This is the skin. I'm going to remove this part. Then I'm going to cut it up. Alrighty. So let's go. So this is the skin, guys. You just locate it. It is easy to remove. You hold on to it and you pull it off. Pull the skin right off. We are going to wash now and we are adding some vinegar. So guys, after I have finished cleaning up my liver, you can go ahead and cut it to your desire, to your thickness. So these are the seasoning that I'm going to use to season my liver. So I'm just washing them, getting them thoroughly washed. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up. So our season has finished cut up, guys. So this is our garlic cloves, some ginger, assorted bell pepper, tomato, and scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, as usual, anything else I added, I will definitely show you. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I'm putting some oil in my pot. I'm gonna go ahead now and toss my ginger in, my garlic, and you know we want to release all of those nice flavor, those aroma. In with the tomato. We need our onion as well. Pepper. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our ginger. That was finely chopped. We're gonna go ahead now and add our bell peppers, or salted bell pepper. Then now guys, you know what we need to add to the pot now? Our liver. Yeah? So we are adding the liver, or beef liver. So we're gonna go ahead now, guys, and we're gonna put some black pepper. So we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna add some salt to our pot. Then some black pepper. Yeah. Then I'm going to add my favorite seasoning. Go ahead and use your favorite seasoning, guys. Adding some all-purpose. And that's about it. So I'm gonna give this a good stir. Alrighty. And I'm gonna just cover back my pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm adding a tablespoon of dark sauce. Then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good mix.